In the scenic valley of Swat, a northwestern Pakistani district which was a stronghold of Taliban militants before they were pushed out by a major military offensive last year, the local administration, in association with the Army and Swat Hotel Association, has organized a 3-week gala with the aim of reviving tourism in the region.
We have arranged this festival just to give relief to the people who had gone through a very tough time during the volatile situations. It will also show the world that peace has returned to Swat Valley.
We want to show the world that peace has returned to our area, and now all the tourists can visit this beautiful valley like the past.
The volatile situation during the last couple of years has negatively affected all aspects of life in the region. And the tourism, which is the source of livelihood of more than 50% of the local residents, has been at the receiving end of violence and militancy. But now, in order to bring the moribund tourism industry back to life, the government has held the Grand Carnival in the main northwestern city Mingora, which was the country's listed tourism spot before militancy hit it in 2008 and 9. Various programs have been arranged in the festival to boost tourism in the region, and people from various parts of the country are being wooed to visit the valley with special discounts on many things. And to introduce part of the cultural and traditional attractions of the region, activities such as music show and Sufi dance, which were banned when the militants had the upper hand, were performed.
We are so happy because once again, after a very long time, we are seeing such a crowd here. And you are also looking, so it's a very best occasion for all Swatians.
It is unbelievable that such a happy occasion has come to Swat. We have not seen a happy moment for years.
Certainly this festival will tell the people across the country that peace has returned to the region and now everyone is welcome to visit our beautiful valley.
However, experts say participation in the festival is unexpectedly low as fears of violent militant attacks still linger in people's minds. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Swat.